Hey guys, in this video, we're going to keep it super simple. We're going to use ChatGPT's new Image 2 model, combine it with Seedance to create AI UGC videos with no subscriptions necessary. And to start it off, let's play the demo video I just created.
Okay, this is how I start every single morning. 1 scoop, cold water, that is literally it. And my skin, my energy, my gut, completely different. Try it for a week, you will get it.
So as you can see, the video looks pretty good. It has multi-shot, it has a character, and it has the brand image in it. Basically, what we're doing is using ChatGPT's new 2.0 image model that makes very realistic people, using that as the start frame. And I'll teach you a platform that will allow you to do this with Seedance because not all of them do. But basically, I'll have both my video prompt and my image prompt link in the description so you can take them and have your favorite LLM remix it. It was honestly super simple to come up with these, but essentially all I did was take this AG1 product right here, the image, and then I told ChatGPT create me a 9:16 image, and then I gave it the prompt, and then as you scroll down, this is the start frame that it came up with, which is pretty good. I had it generate one more time. Both of these are very similar. And then the third one, all I did was ask to remove the powder from the scoop because it looked kind of weird that there was already powder in there. So it was able to remove the powder from the scoop. And so far, I haven't hit any limits generating on ChatGPT's interface. It seems like they give you quite a bit of generations. I have the $20 a month plan, but if you have a free plan, let me know down in the description how many images it lets you generate. Okay, and for the second step, we're going to go to KIE AI. This is a really good platform that allows you to use all the video models. And the catch here is you do not need a subscription. Unlike the popular platforms that I'm currently not sponsored by, you can just use this, load it up with as many dollars as you want in like $5 increments. And we'll go into the pricing in just a second. They have this online playground, and the reason why I like it better than platforms like FAL is it allows you to use human faces with no problem. Some of the other platforms give you an issue. So on the input right here, as you can see, we're on Seedance Regular. You can save a little money using Seedance Fast if you want, but Seedance Fast will not allow you to do the highest quality. So all you're going to need to do is upload, first remove all the default stuff that they put here. Then you're going to want to put the first frame as the image that was created using ChatGPT. And then you put your prompt in here. We'll go over the prompt in a second. Scroll down. You don't need any reference images. You can use them if you want to signify where like the middle part of the video, like middle frames would be essentially. You can do reference videos, but we're not going to be doing that. And then audio. If you want to give it an audio file of your voice or whoever's voice you want to clone, you can do that here. Now, you obviously want to generate audio. Make sure this is on. And then when you get to here, resolution, I would test on 480 because it's going to cost you a lot less. So this is about $1 per run. And then 1080 is going to cost you about $6 per run. So it's going to be expensive. It always is expensive, but 1080p is like the best video generation you can get yet. Make sure the dimension match the image that you give it. I'm doing 9:16 because mostly UGC is created for social media and the platform standard is 9:16. And then these don't really matter right here. And then essentially all you do is click run and you generate the video, the exact video that I just showed you at the beginning. Now let's quickly look over the video prompt. All right, and this is the video prompt. This is something that just Claude came up with pretty good, but it does offer multi-shot, meaning you have all those different angles, and different angles help your UGC videos quite a bit because they add some variance to watching the video. As you can see, it describes a little bit about what's happening here, and then it describes shot 1, and then how many seconds it should be, what happens, and then it goes to shot 2, shot 3, shot 4, and then there's a little bit stuff about the styles and the characters on the bottom, which is always good. And one small thing I forgot to note, I made the video 13 seconds, so I told the LLM to make sure to script the video for 13 seconds. You can do up to 15 seconds with Seedance, which is super nice, but each second will cost you a little bit of money. So both of these prompts, like I said, they'll be linked in the description completely for free. But if you're an avid AI video generation person, then you definitely should be joining my school community. We're going to have a ton more that we create there, as well as all my content if you subscribe to the school community, including this FreePik template that I just updated that includes Nano Banana, Seedream, and ChatGPT 2. It takes a JSON file that Claude makes, and it creates all these start frames that you can pick the very best from. And it's exactly what I use to run the Instagram at Lifehack and get videos that just blow up like crazy. I got a video the other day with almost 24 million views. All the formulas, all the prompts is included in my school community. So make sure to check that out, and on to the tutorial. All right, now let's demo how easy this is to adapt to your own product. Here we have this random gaming headset, and I basically gave it the prompt of the image that you can access through the Google Doc. And at the top, I just asked for the image prompt. So we're going to send this off to Claude and see what it does. Okay, so now Claude came up with my prompt. Now I'm going back to ChatGPT, and of course you can just ask ChatGPT this if you want. I just say 9:16 image. I include that source photo, and I'm going to send it and show you what the result is. Okay, so it made this prompt. I think it took the idea of the glass of water from the other prompts. So here's the result. As you can see, it looks really good. The only one thing is I don't really think this one needs a glass of water. I think it just took that as inspiration from the other one. So I'm going to make a modification. And here, on the meantime, I'm going to give it this right here, where I'm going to give it the video prompt that I have in the doc, and basically have it create one for this new UGC. Now, keep in mind, obviously, if you're putting a lot of effort into this, which you should be making sure that all the dialogue makes sense according to the brand and all of that. But in this video, we're basically just one-shotting it to show you the proof of concept. And going back to ChatGPT, we made this little modification. The water is gone. Now we can use this image. Okay, now on KIE, we have the first frame. I copied in the prompt. None of this is selected. We're going to be doing 720, so I save a little bit of money on this test. I haven't even read the prompt, to be honest. We have 9:16, 13 seconds. I'm going to hit run, and I'll show you what the results look like in just a sec. Okay, and now the video is done. The moment of truth, I'm going to be playing it. I have no idea what the expectations were because I didn't even read this video prompt, but let's see.
Bro, I finally found a headset that actually sounds insane. The soundstage on these is absolutely crazy. I hear every single footstep, wireless, like 300 hours of battery. Mic sounds like a studio. Honestly, if you game and you don't have these, you're playing on hard mode.
That was actually crazy. The fact that I didn't really see any flaw in there. Maybe there was in one or two of the shots, but this just exceeded my expectations. Anyways, I hope this video was valuable, and I hope that you guys can go create this and try this on your own without having to subscribe to anywhere online. And if you're interested in AI marketing, AI content creation, all that stuff, make sure to check out my school. The link will be in the description. We have so much value in there, and we're adding new content all the time.